Now where are we going?
Nampami Lake, better than to go to the Shkhara Glacier.
Good morning from the fifth day. Today we have a half day hiking tour. We wanted to see the Shkhara Glacier, if I pronounce correct. We have been walking about for 2 hours maybe, all ascending. We are at 2700 meters altitude. The place we stay in Ushguli, it's at 2100. Came here to see the best view of the glacier and the Shkhara mountain, the highest mountain in Georgia. Two people from the group, they already left to Mestia. They have an early departure to their country, to United Kingdom. And two other friends stay in the guest house. They were a bit tired. So only my friend from Israel and his son and our guide, we are here. We're gonna see around, take some pictures, videos, and then we will return from the same way to Ushguli. Then we will depart to Mestia. I will stay one more night in Mestia, a little bit resting and relaxing. And then I will return to Tbilisi for another 3 days. Maybe in Tbilisi I will join a day tour to Kazbegi mountain and another glacier hiking trip there. Yesterday evening after the dinner we went to the village cinema on the second floor of the medieval tower. We watched a movie based on the three events. We learned a lot about the culture, traditions. The movie was awarded more than 20 times. It was a great movie, honestly. Our guide, currently he is busy with his drone. Davit, he's a great guide if you ever wanna visit Mestia, Ushguli hiking trips or winter ski trips. He's the guy you have to find. I will leave his contact information to the video description. Here's the lake at 2700 meters high. Because it's a short hike, we didn't have to bring our backpacks. It's so comfortable after 4 days. I think the round hiking trip will be like 7 kilometers at the end. See your son.
I was thinking the same. You mean after that they are coming here and or something like that, helping each other.
We are in Ushguli with Fion and Mimi and probably an American friend. It's like a Turkish bakery. This one they call it Turkish baklava, but it's much bigger than a Turkish baklava. This one with cheese, a kind of hachapuri. What did you get it? With potato, right? That one.
Potato and beef.
We have black tea and this one beef. Yes. We are waiting for the train. We have 1 hour. Bye.